Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to find the best black market discount codes to save on your favorite refurbished tech. Let's dive right in. Method 1 is to check this Reddit post. First, head over to the Reddit post, go to r/blackmarket and search for codes that actually work. Reddit users often share discount codes that have worked for them, so you can find some great deals here. Make sure to check the comments for the most up-to-date codes and tips from other users. Actually, just open your notifications on this subreddit r/blackmarket and you'll be good to go. Method 2 is to visit RetailMeNot. Open your web browser and go to retailmenot.com/view/blackmarket.com. They compile a list of verified discount codes and promotion for black market. Browse through the available codes and choose the one that offers the best value for your purchase. Just click the show code highlighted with the purple button here, and then you're good to go. By following these 2 methods, you can easily find the best black market discount codes and save on your favorite refurbished tech.